chance. A few days later, the phone rings. Ring, ring, ring. Her unique voice keeps her from being forgotten. I feel comfortable in her story. I met her by chance. It's like an old friend. Ring, ring, ring. The moment I talk to her warms my heart. She's been waiting for me, and I'm coming up to her. The longer we talked, the more she thought about her feelings. Ring, ring, ring. She was curious about the feelings, and eventually told me about love. I hid my feelings and met her. She was honest with love. I love that honest love, but I was afraid. Ring, ring, ring. When the phone rings, it reminds me of her. Ring, ring, ring. A story with her. Her smile, the ringtone of her everything.